Hello all, welcome to the day 50 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 12. The question goes like this. Read the following passage and answer the questions given below. Linear programming problem is a method of finding the optimal values of quantities subject to the constraints when a relationship is expressed as a linear equation or linear inequations. The corner points of a feasible region determined by the system of linear constraints are as shown below. Question 1. Is this feasible region bounded? Of course it is bounded. Question 2. Write the number of corner points in the feasible region. The corner points are the origin A, B, C, D, E. So it is 6 in number. Question 3. If z is equal to ax plus by has maximum value at c 6, 6 and b 4, 10. Find the relationship between a and b. This means that z at 6, 6 is equal to z at 4, 10. Z at 6, 6 is equal to z at 4, 10. Substituting 6, 6 in the equation, we get 6a plus 6b is equal to, substituting 4, 10 in the equation, we get 4a plus 10b. 6a minus 4a is equal to 10b minus 6b, which is 2a is equal to 4b. Reducing it, a is equal to 2b. So this is the relationship between a and b. Question 4. If z is equal to 2x minus 5y, then find the minimum value of this objective function. Let's take down the corner points. Origin 0, 0, a 0, 6, b 4, 10, c 6, 6, d 6, 4 and e 5, 0. So we have to find out the value of z in all these places. Z is equal to 2x minus 5y. For origin we get the value as 0. For a 0, 6, 2x minus 5y becomes minus 30. Substituting 4, 10. Substituting 6, 6 we get minus 18. Substituting 6, 4 we get minus 8. Substituting 5, 0 we get 10. Objective is to get the minimum. The minimum value of all this is minus 42. Minimum value of z is minus 42 at 4, 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.